What's up, guys? So we're here getting ready to pour this concrete footer. It's 2 foot wide, 12 inches deep, and 32 feet long. We're actually doing a job next door, building a retaining wall, and this guy is also building a retaining wall. He's building the wall, but he wanted us to put the footer in. So we have 3 pallets of concrete that we're gonna have to mix up with the mixer here. Should be fun. We put these pins in. He'll put these in between his block to help attach it to the footer here. You see we got our level set up here. Forms nice and level. That's the first layer of rebar down there at the bottom. What we'll do is we'll add about 6 inches of concrete, and then I'll just throw the other pieces of rebar in after the concrete's in. That way I don't have to deal with letting it hang or, you know, building a big cage or anything like that. All right, well, let's get to it.